Hi, my name is Marco. I'm Italian. I'm riding the bike since I was 25. Now I'm 50, so more or less. No, I would say a little bit more because the first bike I got I was 15. So 35 years that I'm riding bike. I'm riding now the M1 stuff. I bought it a couple of months ago. So in total I've ridden I think 4 or 5 times. Somehow I really like it. It's really smooth, really nice. So I came here basically to get rid of my bad habit, because I'm sure every rider gets really bad habit.
What's your bad habit?
Going too fast. Sometimes not to have enough control of the bike. So what I'm learning today is actually to control better the bike. Counter steering, how to knee down, how to say, throttle on, throttle off. So all this is very important for every rider, because give you the mastery of the bike, not the opposite. So far I'm enjoying.
Do you get a knee down today? Do you get a knee down today?
Yeah, I got it. A couple of times.
Couple of times more. Alright. Thank you.
Welcome.